Following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, global attention was stirred, prompting a surge in military expenditure across numerous nations. Germany notably joined this trend, marking the first instance of defense spending increase since 1945 as decided by the Bundestag. Such escalations inevitably draw the interest of major corporations, with Elon Musk often lauded as the most dynamic and forward-thinking entrepreneur. His ventures, particularly SpaceX, revolutionized space transportation, displacing Russia's Roscosmos from the market and consequently reducing space travel costs for the US. Similarly, Tesla, under Musk's leadership, reshaped the automotive industry, branching into light trucks after establishing dominance in the passenger car sector. Musk's latest endeavor, the development of an unparalleled super tank, was spurred by Russia's actions in Ukraine. Collaborating with a German defense consortium, the project signifies a potent partnership poised for success, potentially challenging Putin's military superiority. Notably, Musk's technology already proved instrumental during the early stages of the conflict, with his satellite internet system providing crucial communication infrastructure to Ukraine, countering Russian cyber attacks that disabled many conventional communication channels. In certain regions of Ukraine, Starlink stands as the sole communication lifeline to the outside world, effectively breaking through information blockades. Moreover, Starlink plays a pivotal role in maintaining operational continuity for critical infrastructure personnel at power plants and industrial sites within Ukraine. Additionally, the Ukrainian military leveraged Starlink for communication and control of recently acquired kamikaze and reconnaissance drones from the United States. Elon Musk's SpaceX-operated Starlink satellites facilitate this connectivity, enabling the Ukrainian military to coordinate UAV operations and unit actions effectively. With over 2,000 satellites currently in orbit, Musk emphasized in a recent interview that even if Russia attempts to destroy satellites using anti-satellite missiles, SpaceX can replace them at a faster rate than they can be targeted. Musk has turned his attention to tanks, recognizing their pivotal role in modern warfare. Given the evolving tactics in conflicts like the Russian-Ukrainian confrontation, Musk is poised to introduce innovative solutions. It's likely that German defense firm Rheinmetall will partner with Musk in this endeavor, particularly with their recent unveiling of the Lynx 120, a concept fire support combat vehicle. This vehicle, expected to be based on the Lynx KF-41 infantry fighting vehicle chassis and incorporate a turret and 120mm smoothbore gun from the Leopard 2 tank, boasts programmable detonation capabilities for its projectiles. Weighing 44 tons, the Lynx 120 qualifies as a light tank, a strategic advantage in rapid troop advancement scenarios observed in Ukrainian military operations. Heavy tanks, due to their cumbersome nature, tend to impede movement on roads and become vulnerable targets for aerial drones and anti-tank systems deployed by combat units. Light tanks feature armor designed to withstand medium-caliber ammunition and shrapnel, although they offer limited defense against projectiles like Javelin and in-law missiles or Panzerfaust grenades. Conversely, heavy tanks, despite their armor thickness ranging from 600 to 700 mm, also struggle against such weaponry. The initial month of conflict in Ukraine underscored that merely augmenting armor thickness yields minimal benefits, as every armor type has corresponding penetrative ammunition. Consequently, reducing armor thickness does not significantly impact tank survivability. Instead, enhancing vehicle speed and maneuverability by reducing mass increases crew survivability. Advanced active defense systems play a crucial role, including contemporary missile launch detection methods operating in the ultraviolet range. Upon detecting an incoming threat, the system alerts the crew and activates a barrier, dispersing an aerosol cloud that conceals the tank from infrared and optical detection. Additionally, optoelectronic suppression modules, typically mounted on the tank turret, emit radiation across optical and infrared spectrums, effectively disrupting targeting systems. The effective range of these defense systems spans from 1,800 to 2,400 meters, posing a significant challenge for projectiles like Javelin rockets, which require approximately 13 seconds or more to traverse this distance. During this time frame, the active protection system has ample opportunity to disrupt the operation of the optoelectronic anti-tank guided missile (ATGM) guidance device. This results in the missile receiving false signals, leading it to either crash or miss its intended target. However, Rheinmetall has developed even more sophisticated weaponry that not only shields the tank but also enables effective counterattacks against imminent threats. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and kamikaze drones pose significant challenges to tank formations. The newly developed Skynex air defense system, also produced by Rheinmetall, offers protection against assaults from these aerial threats. Skynex's adaptable design allows for installation on various mobile platforms, including the Lynx 120 tanks. At the core of the Skynex system lies the Oerlikon Skymaster command and control system, complemented by Oerlikon XTAR 3D radars operating in the X-band short-range frequencies. These radars automatically conduct lock-on tracking, classification, and identification of air targets, transmitting a comprehensive three-dimensional sky picture to the remote control node via the Skymaster network. Operators can then authorize destruction signals. Skynex systems can be equipped with a 35mm Mk3 cannon and can potentially integrate with the Cheetah rocket launcher. A single Skynex complex can provide protection for an entire convoy, including tanks, personnel vehicles, and fuel tankers, making it the most advanced system against small airborne threats with minimal cross-sections, including UAVs, rockets, and mortar shells. Rheinmetall's innovative tank protection system suggests potential collaboration with Elon Musk, likely focusing on his electric propulsion technologies. The benefits of electric traction in ground military equipment are evident, indicating Musk's contributions could prove indispensable to such projects. To begin with, an electric tank offers several advantages over traditional models. Firstly, it eliminates the need for heavy and maintenance-intensive components like shafts, gearboxes, and hydraulic drives. Hydraulic systems are particularly susceptible to failures, rendering tank control impossible and potentially making the tank vulnerable during missions. Secondly, the absence of a transmission unit allows designers more flexibility in configuring the vehicle layout, enabling them to increase ammunition capacity or incorporate additional weaponry. Thirdly, electric tanks are easier to control due to their higher torque, resulting in enhanced throughput and speed, along with minimal engine noise, which aids in concealment during operations. Moreover, electric tanks can serve as power sources for other equipment, given the high level of electrification in modern weaponry. Tactical devices such as thermal imagers, communications equipment, and radar stations rely on electricity, highlighting the versatility and utility of electric tanks. In essence, electrically-driven combat vehicles surpass traditional models in terms of dynamics, maneuverability, ease of control, survivability, and security, while also accommodating advanced weapons and sensors with high power requirements. For instance, forthcoming integration of laser weapons into ground combat vehicles will seamlessly benefit from an electronic transmission's power supply. The primary energy source for electric tanks can be either diesel or gas turbines, with the absence of transmission load extending the service life of these units. The constant engine speed ensures longevity, while batteries compensate for increased loads during acceleration and maneuvering. Considering these advantages, the question arises whether Elon Musk can revolutionize the tank sector. We eagerly await developments in this project, closely monitoring any future advancements. What is your opinion on this new tank technology? Share it with us in the comment section below.